In this video, I'm showing you how to play Minecraft with friends on PC. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and hit that subscribe button. And once you have subscribed, please go and leave a like as well. I really do appreciate it. So I'm showing you how to connect with friends for completely free. And you're basically creating a Minecraft server, but you don't need to run it off your PC. I found a brand new way. So you don't really need to know anything about sort of setting it up or running anything on your PC. It's using a website, and I'm showing you the full process of setting this up, so do keep watching the full video. So let's go and jump into this. Now let's go and get straight into this tutorial. So the first thing you want to do is simply go and open up an internet browser and come to a search engine, and all you need to do is simply search for Minehut. Now do continue to watch as I'm showing you the full process of using this and setting it up. So as you can see, free Minecraft server hosting, and let's go and show you how to do this. So the website is minehut.com. All you want to do is click sign up, and then we're going to have to go and create an account. As you can see, it's just loading now. So we've got to go and enter our email, password, and our birthday, and then we can go and sign up. Then I'm going to go and click sign up and wait for this to load. And then it's going to go and take you to this page here. So I'm going to go and verify my email. So I'm going to go and click continue. And then it's going to go and send you an email, and I'll quickly go and verify that now. So the email looks something like this, and all you want to do is go and click here to confirm your email. Click there. And here we go, it's now going to log you in. So it'll take a minute to load, as you can see. And then all you want to do is go and type in a server name for the server. So I'm going to name this something like Tucker YT 123, maybe 12. And then go and click create. And once you've got and entered your server name, it's then going to take you here to your dashboard. So as you can see here, this is the current domain and IP address for your server. So let's go and simply go and click activate. And it's going to take a minute to load. As you can see, we are moving your server to a high performance DDoS protected host. So that's what you want to do. You want to simply go and wait. And as you can see, it's just starting. So you can wait here, and it's got a countdown here as well. So wait for this time, and then I'll catch up with you then. And then once the continue button's popped up, go and click on it. Then as you can see here, your server is actually online. Then what we want to do is go and copy this or remember it like so. So I'm going to right click and go and click copy, and then come back to Minecraft here, come to multiplayer, and you'll go and click direct connection or add server. I'm going to click add server. Then I'm going to go and come to server address, and you'll have to do Control+V if you're on PC or Command+V if you're on Mac. Paste that, and then you'll go and click done, and you can scroll down, and as you can see, here it is. You can then double click on it, and it's logging you in, and it's encrypting. It may take a minute to load, and then once it does, we can go and play. So continue to wait, and then once it has gone and encrypted, it's going to go and join you to the game. As you can see, TutorialTucker, hi, I can do that again, and this is a complete server. So if you want to get your friends to join, all you need to do is go and copy this and send this to them. So this part here, tuckeryt12.minehut.gg. Whatever you name your server will be the start of the domain here. So you want to go and then send that to all of your friends, and they can join. Now the max players is 10, just remember that, and that's just because it is free. You can change a lot of the settings, guys, and it's honestly really, really cool. Your plugins as well, file manager, there's literally so much stuff which you have in a paid server as well, and there are so many options. So yeah, you can go and change settings, and there are other aspects as well. Also want to quickly add, in the settings, it's where you can go and change a load of stuff like the level type, and you can go and change the game mode if you want to be in creative, and other stuff as well. And honestly, guys, that's literally it. If you did find this video useful, please go down below and leave a like. I really do appreciate it, and subscribe for more awesome tutorials just like this. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.